Hello and welcome to the first video on how to set up fire alarm system from Dahua and how to connect it to DSS software. First step is to make sure that our hardware is connected the right way. So when we open our panel, we need to make sure that battery is connected the right way, that every connection here is secure, that our fuse here is in good condition, and that everything is connected the right way according to manual. So plus on plus, minus on minus. Also here that the Ethernet cable is connected securely, our power cables are connected securely. And now we move to detectors and call point and siren. First, the siren. You can see we have white and brown cable from the siren. And if we zoom here, you can see we have terminals for zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, bell 1 and bell 2. The bell 1 is actually our siren. Please make sure that the connection is correct from plus and minus. Also for detectors, we have white and orange cable going out. And this cable is connected to our first detector. And you can see that the plus connection is made on terminal 1, the minus connection on terminal 2. And from here, we have also connected the second smoke detector. So the connection is made in chain way. From our zone 1 terminal in panel, we have only one cable coming out, and then every detector is connected to this chain. The bell is connected to the bell 1 connector, and here the call point is connected to zone 2. This is important to remember because we will set it up later in DSS, and we need to make the right configuration in the software. So this is the first part. If everything is okay, make sure that you have power and you can turn everything on. After you turn it on, you will see that the power supply is shining green. And after the first startup, you could have a general fault shining up and also the buzzer in the panel going off. But it's okay, I will show you how to silence it until we do the correct setup in the software provided for this fire alarm system. After a few seconds, we should have the debug LED turned off. And if we have some problem, general fault will start to shine and we could have an alarm. As you can see here, the general fault started to shine. We press admin control and panel buzzer silence at once. The admin control will turn on and we press panel buzzer silence. This is how you turn off the siren during the first configuration. So after the configuration is done correctly, you will not have this general fault and this buzzer going off. Now, after we have our firmware on our USB drive, we open our panel and we insert the USB to this port. You see the USB is recognized. And now, if the admin control LED is turned off, you need to press admin control and panel buzzer silence at once to enter the admin control menu again. And to upload the firmware to this control panel, you need to press admin control and accumulate at once. After you press it, you will see debug LED turning on and you wait until the firmware is uploaded. After it's uploaded, the panel will restart, and after it's restarted, you will see the mains supply LED turning on and the debug LED will turn on for a while and we will hear a beeping. After the debug LED turns off, we can press admin control and panel buzzer silence at once to enter the admin control menu and press panel buzzer silence. Now we will continue on our PC. Now, after we have our configuration file on our USB drive, we open the panel, insert the drive, and if we are not in admin control menu, we need to press admin control and panel buzzer silence at once. If it's on, we press admin control and remote Sander silence together to upload the configuration file. The debug LED will turn on, and after it's turned off, the configuration file is uploaded.